Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to expand this one. Next, we put number 1 go to the left. Next, we see that x squared plus 1 divided by x squared plus 1. So we have number 1. Next, I will concentrate about this one only. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to x squared plus 1. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. And we have 2x dx. This one, that is about the constant. So you got 0. Next, we need to change the bounds. When x equals to number 0, so I will put number 0 gone here to find the value of u. U equal to 0 squared plus 1. We have u equals to number 1. When x equals to number 1, so I will put number 1 gone here. 1 squared plus 1, we have number 2. So u equals to number 2. Number 0 we change by number 1. Number 1 we change by number 2. This one we change by u. 2x dx we change by du. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put the bounds from number 1 to number 2. So we have ln number 2 minus ln number 1. We know that ln number 1 you got 0, so we just have ln number 2. Now we go back in here. The integration of number 1, we have s and we have the bounds from 0 to number 1. The integration of this one, we have ln number 2. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.